So I will start with our company. As you see, we are from Source Infotech. We are a tech-based company in New Jersey, Central Jersey area. We started off as a kind of IT consulting company. Now we have branched into software development and coding and different technologies. And these are the different technologies that we work in actively. AI, DevOps, Hadoop, Big Data, Java, J2E, .NET, UI development, and business analytics. And the different projects that we are doing right now in-house and with partnership with our clients are AI, Meta, Human. I'll just go briefly over that. So as we have seen, the technology has progressed so much, especially in AI, that it is possible right now to code a meta-human, an avatar of sort, where you can code that particular avatar to, on the fly, change the intensity of the conversation. It can, on its own, tone it up, tone it down. It can be polite, it can be assertive, while matching the facial expressions. So, for example, in a customer care role, for example, this meta-human can sense if the customer is getting frustrated, so it will tone down its voice, and at the same time, it will talk to you in a way to just to bring your frustration down as well, which previously we have not seen happening, but this is going to be happening very soon. And also at the same time, with this meta-human, with metaverse, and we are also working with virtual reality and augmentation, in which in a project we are doing where you can put a VR set on and you can walk into a retail setting and you can pick up a product, move it around, and even with your handsets, you can rub around the product and you can feel the texture. And how you're going to feel that texture difference is your handset will vibrate in a different way when you're going over different services. So this is, I think, is very exciting. And all this technology exists, but the way AI and VR are going to revolutionizing it is I think, which I call it an iPhone moment. I mean, there were phones in 2007, smartphones, but iPhone came and it literally turned the whole industry upside down. And this, I think, is we are staring at the same moment right now. Another project we are working on is blockchain applications with the cryptocurrency taking off. We are also working on an exchange with one of our partners with a cryptocurrency exchange. At the same time, we also have a process in this nascency for stock market as well, where the AI will basically study the stock market and predict what each stock will, how the stock will fare. And also at the same time, we have another in-house project that we have developed is a property management app. And this is for small-time business owners who have 3, 4, or 5 properties, and they do not want to have the headaches of a tap not working in one of the tenants' apartment, or a kitchen sink faucet is not working in another tenant's apartment. So instead of the property owner lining up a plumber, lining up an electrician, lining up a carpenter, with this app, they can just put in a request, and our offsite team will have all the information on their property. We will set up an appointment with the app, coordinate with the tenant, and have the plumber or carpenter sent straight to the tenant, and we will bill the owner. It's going to be a preset billing amount that we'll do, and the owner will pay that much amount. And then without owner taking any headaches, all this work will be done. Also in that, we have incorporated data mining and demographic setup, in which if, let's say, on this app, you are fresh grad, you just got a job, You want an apartment in an area where a lot of young professionals are. So let's say you're in a new city, you don't know the city, you don't know the neighborhoods which are popular with young professionals. You can search with demographic, income, and your degree. Which area has the most concentrated of these factors? And I'm happy to say that we have about 4 or 5 UNT grads, interns working for us, and they did all the work in this data mining, and it's coming along very, very well. And next is the challenges that we are facing in this. For the most part, what we are facing is this is the time where we really need someone who can think out of the box. I know this term is being used a lot, but this is the time where if anyone can think out of the box, that is going to be really, really good for them and also for the project and also for the company as well. Because right now, different technologies, if you can think to learn and incorporate different technologies into one project, that is what we are looking for. So that with that, I would like to just go to the next slide and just quick overview of our hiring. We also hire foreign students who are on CPT or OPT. We offer paid internships, and also we offer healthcare, 401k, and so on. So also we have a training program as well, which basically narrows the gap of, let's say, a fresh grad who has very good academic knowledge. He is book smart, but right once in the corporate world, there's always a little gap between your academic experience and your corporate learning. So we also narrow the gap down.